Namaste India. So stop gambling, learn hedging. So daily at 8:30 a.m. what you should do before taking any trades. What are the things we need to do? So the first thing we need to observe how Indian market closed yesterday. So positive or negative, that is very important. In Indian indices, these are all the one day performance. Even if you take weekly performance, you can see. So this is a weekly performance. Bank Nifty has performed, mid caps have performed, auto have performed. So this is a weekly performance, and you can check the monthly performance also. So per monthly performance, there are some indexes which are trading negative also, and one of them is small cap and Nifty IT. IT is 8% down, and pharma is 5% down. FMCG is 1% down month on month, and energy sector is doing well month on month. If you see the monthly, so these things are very minute details where you will get a clarity. Oh, which sector is doing bad from one month. So avoid those sectors. So next, global indices. So in the global indices, we have like everything. Nasdaq is Americas, FTSE is France, CAC is United Kingdom, DAX is Germany. So all these things we have. So we have to see. See, morning you need to check SGX Nifty. If SGX is trading in positive, Indian market also will trade positive, because SGX is a replica of Indian markets. So it's a dummy or a baby of Indian markets. Whatever we do trading here, the same is traded in futures in Singapore. That is SGX Nifty. So this is one thing, and you can check the ADRs. Can you see Axis Bank ADR is up? ADR means it's Axis Bank is traded in America also, that is USA. So HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, all the ADRs are up. So this means that today we may see upside in Axis Bank and ICICI. So it may be or it may not be, but we will get a gut feeling that, oh, if ADR is up, this stock will be positive. That is one thing we have to see. And any newses. So news are all positive. So today we can expect positive opening. So this is all about this money control. So in money control, you'll get this many ideas, SGX, and you can see yesterday's top gainers. Everything you need to note it down. Yesterday, which sector did well? So something like chemical, steel, cement, pharma, little bit. Cements mainly did well. I mean, steel did very well. So Jindal Steel, everything has done very well. So this clearly confirms the trend may continue today also in steel and cement. It may. We need to wait and observe. So these things we need to do it in money control. And one more app we have. So investing.com. So this investing.com is so important. Say indices, what is happening across the globe. Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is trading positive. So I mean, now it is closed. Can you see the red color? So the red color clock means it has closed. Only the Asian markets are open. Tokyo, Sydney is open. Sydney is up by 1%. Tokyo, that is Japan, is up by 1.5%. Hong Kong, Karachi, Pakistan is up by like 0.66. Thailand, everything is up today. And futures, indices futures. Here you can see America's index, which is traded now also. It is trading in positive only. American futures, that is US 30, US 500, US Tech 100. So tech stocks are trading positive. And Nifty 50, that is this is futures again, Nifty 50 futures. DAX, everything FTSE, it's been positive. The FTSE futures is trading it positive only. And shares. So in India, which most active stocks yesterday were, these were the most active top gainers. And commodities, you can see silver, gold. So a lot of information you can get. Just observe, oh, whether gold has fallen, whether silver has fallen. So just observe. Currencies, so currencies, not much fluctuation. Cryptos, you can see crypto, Bitcoin is up little bit. Ethereum, Cardano, everything is going up. So bonds, ETFs, funds. So in India, which funds are doing well? So this is all liquid funds. So See, every bit of information is found in these two apps, most important apps: money control, investing.com. So coming back to the edelweiss, see this edelweiss, it's again just like a money control. This app is very very important if anyone wants to check the charts. Let's say yesterday Tata Steel has done well, so now Tata Steel, you want to check the chart. So how the Tata Steel looks, so you cannot always open the computer, right? So you will be traveling, so mobile, so with mobile, the charts means, as soon as you hear the words charts in mobile, the first thing comes to my mind is edelweiss. Edelweiss is a, I mean, if you want to see the charts, this is the best of best in India to check the charts. So here I have done put some indicators, let me remove them. Yeah, so I can see the charts. You can see the day candle, how nicely it is closed above previous day high. Weekly candle, monthly candle, hourly candle. So hourly candle also looking strong. This is a daily candle, this is a monthly candle, looks started bullish. Monthly candle, a weekly candle has closed above previous week high, very positive. So the charts are so stable, and you will get a lot of information about in this app. So the most beautiful thing about this app is, you can see the sector performance, which sector is doing well today: metals, pharma, FMCG, IT. So you can see this one during market hours, it looks so attractive, and you will get to know, oh, which sector is doing well today. Everything you can get to know. And if you go to this market stats, top gainers, bulk deals, all the bulk deals, market caps, so indices, IPO for performance also you can see here. So many things are there in this app. And see, the most important thing I like is this: if I click on this nifty, you can see the contributors and pullers and draggers. So this pullers and draggers is so important. So today, which stock is pulling the market higher, which stock is dragging the markets lower, that is so important. During the market hours, pullers and draggers. So yesterday, Reliance was dragging the market, Tata Motors, SBI, and all these stocks dragged the market. ICICI was pulling the markets higher. And you can see which stocks were good in Nifty 50. Technicals, pivot points you can check, and you can check the graph. You can see, if you want to trade in Nifty, so you cannot always see the laptop, right? So you can see the Nifty chart here, and you can put all the indicators like super trend. So whatever you want, you can draw trend lines, hourly candle. So this is a most stable app in India, we can say, for checking the charts in mobile. This is a most stable and so powerful app, we can say. Highest rated Google, Play Store app is this only. So no need to open DEMAT account in this. Just you can use this app to check the data, information. So you can see your screeners. They also have some screeners: positive breakouts, negative breakouts, crossovers, open is equal to low, price up, volume up. Which are the stocks yesterday? Price up, volume up. Let me check. So no data available. Maybe this will work during market hours. So oversold stocks. So which are the stocks which are oversold in Nifty? So that is Asian Paints, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Life is oversold, Cipla, HDFC. All these stocks have been oversold. So these stocks will bounce back. So we need to check once again, because whatever the information they are giving here, we need to observe them, check the charts and observe. Here almost they are giving all the stocks, oversold stocks. Cross check, because whether which company is oversold, we have to manually check it once again. So open is equal to low. So this is very very useful app to check the charts. That's what I say. So if you want to check the charts during your outside, if you want to check the news, as you can see, budget, live, everything, information is bundle of information you can get in this Edelweiss, money control, and investing.com. So mainly I use Edelweiss and money control mainly. And Edelweiss may, it's a big boon for our nation itself. It's such a hassle free app, we can say. So option chain, see, this is a big boon for option traders. If you want to understand options, no, most of the people say, sir, options I don't understand at all. So if you don't understand options, the best thing is observe this live option chain which is available in Edelweiss app. As soon as the market goes up, what happens to the call premium, what happens to the put premium, we need to keep observing. Yesterday, can you see, anyone bought 17600 call option, he made only 6 rupees profit. Anyone who has bought 17600 put option, he is gone to 242 rupees loss. Can you see, can you imagine? Anyone who has done short straddle, you would have made biggest money yesterday. Can you imagine how much money short straddle trader would have made yesterday? So such a great, we can say, option selling is such a great thing to do. So if you are still on option buying side, note it in a book. Your journey in stock market will end within 3 months. You will become bankrupted within 3 months. Option buying itself is like a operation success, patient died. You will do 101 things and your strategy goes right, you will buy the option, but you will not make money. See, market moves up, you bought a call option, market moves up, but you will not make money. Note this in book. So operation success hai, but patient died. That's what happens in option buying. Please come to option selling. You will see the wonderful journey in your stock market career. So those who are doing naked options, no, literally you are the person who are going to get out of the stock market very very soon. Because so I'm a trader who was, killed by the market many times, but I bounced back by coming back to the option selling. And my core secret is option selling and hedging and future long put by different strategies we have. So if you want to enroll for courses, you can just, visit our institute. So thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share this very informative video about what to do at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. Thank you.